You ready? Got it. Just one. Let's see if I can follow up and get a little more. A lot more. Nasty.
Hold on, here it comes. It was, you could hear it, but I'm not sure if you could. I could. Dingy, dingy, dingy.
And we're here. I'll see you later, Brad.
All right, thanks for the ride.
Take a deep breath in again. And breathe out. Wow.
I caught my girlfriend ripping absolute S on our rain can.
I don't want to do it.
I already know, it's Kayla's turn.
Stop! No!
No.
No! Nope, not posting it. I'm a secret admirer.
Part 26.
Yo. What the fuck, man?
I like that way sometimes.